Hey everybody, it's Justin, and I help visionaries with launching their visions. Today I'm going to help you switch between applications using a Command and Tab shortcut on your computer, at least if you have a Mac. If you're on Windows, you can use Alt and Tab, but it's very simple. You can hold down Command, tap Tab, and not let go of Command, and see all of my applications that are currently open right now. And then while still holding Command, I can hit Tab again, and it will go to the second last application that I most had open. And you can see here that that was Facebook and Safari. I can hit Command Tab, and it will go to the last app I had open. I'm making this because when I was presenting my Keynote the other day, and for some reason, the newest version of Keynote, I went to Command Tab out. You can see I'm hitting Command Tab, and it's not exiting Keynote. And I wanted to have a flawless version of my presentation to where I was presenting and talking about my journals, and I wanted to Command Tab out of my journals and show them. But I'm like, Command Tab's not working, and I had to exit, and then everyone saw my presentation, then I had to go find it. It was just nasty, right? And I just didn't like it at all. So I realized that you have to enable a setting in Keynote preferences in order for that to work. So I can go, check out my journals here at journal.envisionwithjustin. And you see I'm Command tabbing between. I can also 4-finger slide if you have multi-touch gestures on. 4-finger slide. Sometimes it's 3-finger. I always do 4 fingers just for extra security, because in Safari you can do 2 fingers to get back. And sometimes when you do 3 fingers just to slide, you may accidentally do 2 fingers. And I'm like, you don't want to accidentally back away your page. So for extra security, I've always done 4 fingers to slide over. And so, Command Tab slides over to the next one, or goes to your last application, but your gestures will always go to the next space that you have if you're on Mac. So I can Command Tab over, or I can gesture over. Make sure that I have these journals up, and then I'm going to make sure I'm on Keynote. So when I Alt Tab, it's always going to go to the last application. So if I want to show the journals immediately, then I need to make sure Safari was the last application I opened before Keynote was open. Because if I have, QuickTime open and I Command Tab out of Keynote, then it's going to show QuickTime instead of the journal. So we make sure Safari is the last thing open. I'm going to go to Keynote and enable in preferences this little option under slideshow. You click Allow Mission Control Dashboard and others to use the screen. I don't know why this was disabled on the newer MacBook Pros or the latest software, but when you play, now you can hit Command Tab and it flawlessly transitions out of the screen, allowing you to see your journals. And that's just beautiful. Command Tab, and I'm back in my presentation. See, I love journaling. And if it wasn't for this streak that I had here on the 26th, 27th, 28th of October 2014, now I can talk about it. And this tweet, if you want to learn to write well, read a lot, and write a lot, you don't need formal training. You don't need permission. Let me show you. See, I hadn't written a journal since 2016, April 1st. And now I've been writing for 9 days straight. Okay, now that was me talking off my head. But that's essentially how you Command Tab out of a Keynote presentation, which I should have researched before I had my research presentation, but I didn't realize that the feature was disabled. So I hope that helps you and you learned something new about command shortcuts. If you want more tutorials like this, let me know in the comments below, and I look forward to creating more content for you all. So make sure you're subscribed, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace. Oh, also check out my journal, journal.envisionwithjustin. Subscribe to that too. .com. I left that off, but it's all good. You know how to click the link in the description. Bye bye.